What's up, family? It's your boy Ivan Hall here with some more good information about improving your credit score. One of the best kept secrets to instantly improve your credit score is the easiest thing you can do. It literally takes minutes and can take you from no credit to good credit. This procedure requires the trust of a friend or family member that has good credit. The prime candidate that you want is someone with a lifelong history of good credit. This person must have a credit card with a steady payment history, a large spending limit on that particular card, and a low balance, preferably no balance. The trick is to ask that person to add you as an authorized user and request an additional card to be issued to him/her in your name. Most credit card statements ask you every month on your statement if you wish to add an authorized user to your account at no charge. To limit liability and to guarantee that you cannot jeopardize their credit rating, tell that person to use their address on the application so you will never see the card. When the card arrives, he or she can cut the card up and throw it away. Now here is the good part, the account you were added to will automatically create a positive entry on your credit report. The beauty of this new positive entry on your report is that it will show the date that the account was opened instead of the date you actually applied for, therefore adding years of positive payment history and boosting your credit score overnight. There is no limit to the amount of accounts you can add to your credit. However, if any of these accounts ever go delinquent for any reason, it will be reported as if it was yours. If that did happen, you as an authorized user have no legal obligation to pay or keep this item on your credit report. You can simply call the creditor and have the item removed by simply asking. The credit card company must comply by law and the item will be removed. Now that you know, go find someone who will let you borrow their credit, or hell, you can just buy trade lines from me and boost your credit score overnight. Act now, and go get that money.